piece is, of course, the top stocks which really made all the price action. Hormaz is standing by with that list. Hormaz, take it away.
Well, indeed, and there were plenty of movers in the broader markets. The broad benchmark indices were quiet, as you mentioned. But I'll start off with sugar stocks, and you saw some bit of relief rally coming in today. And the companies are anticipating some bit of relief after meeting the Petroleum and Natural Gas Secretary today. But the star of the session on the upside, though, was IREDA. And that stock is unstoppable. And it's just been 9 days since it listed. It's now nearly tripled from its issue price of 32 rupees. Another 20% circuit today, 85 rupees on IREDA. What also ended at a 20% circuit was Chevoit, and that was because all jute stocks rallied considering the reforms that were implemented by the cabinet last week. Another 20% circuit for Chevoit as well. Other jute stocks also rallying, which included Ludlow and Gloucester. And moving on, UPL was the top gainer on the Nifty today. Highlighted this morning that the stock was attempting to cross its 100-day moving average and it was finding resistance there. It finally closed above that 100-day moving average level of 595. Now, moving on, we see Patel Engineering. That stock has been up for 7 straight days now. That stock has gained 35% in the last 7 sessions, and today's surge has taken the stock to a 6-year high for Patel Engineering, another 11%, 68. But also ending at a record high was Dixon Technologies. That has seen another stellar move, another 7% today on Dixon, record high 63.72, and the stock has rallied almost 21% in a month. The next stock that is coming up on the list is Polycab. We highlighted this earlier that Polycab has now dethroned Havells to become the most valuable wires and cable stock in the country. The stock ending at a record high 4.5% for Polycab as well. And moving on, JK Cement was the stock that was up for the 8th day in a row. That stock has now seen the longest winning streak in 20 months. And that was just a 1% gain, but the stock was up for the 8th day in a row. And lastly, IRFC, that stock saw a 7% move today. Strong session for IRFC, gaining the most in 3 months. And that stock has taken support from its 50-day moving average. Those were some of the movers in today's session. Back to you.
Interesting list as always. Thank you for joining in.